So for most injectors, port, GDI, and piezo, we have this special process using our proprietary flow bench and chemical we created. These little fixtures and air. And this actually runs overnight. It doesn't pulse overnight, but this will absolutely clean the inside of them. Here they are in the ultrasonic. These have been there for 20 minutes. What came out of your injectors after I backflushed them, that's all dissolved carbon that was inside the injector. So we dissolved everything in the injector and then backflushed it out. There's a couple chunks in there actually. Tips are all clean now. I'll be testing them later on this evening and finishing tomorrow morning. Still testing. This is injector number 5.